Hi friends, Amanda here with Happy Hoppas. I am so excited to announce that I am a part of the JuJuBe 2021 creative crew. So I will be bringing you first looks, packing videos, comparisons, all that fun stuff. So make sure to subscribe so you will get the first sneak peek of their new launches. Speaking of new launches, I am very excited about their new Beyond collection. It is their new vegan leather collection. It is absolutely gorgeous. And it is incredibly soft. It is incredibly soft. It is like, it's just like a hug. Like, it's beautiful. This is a beautiful bag. When I was unwrapping it, I was just filled with excitement, and I accidentally nicked the handle with my nails, which I had just trimmed, so they were like extra sharp. And I was really nervous that I nicked it, and I didn't, so I was super impressed. So yeah, it does have gold hardware. This is their color Black Coffee, and this will only be available through Bye Bye Baby. Their other color is Caramel Latte, and that will be available on their site. They both launch on February 9th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Not that closed. So like I said, this is their Black Coffee color. It is absolutely gorgeous. It has gold metal hardware. How pretty that is. It's just little accents of gold throughout the bag. It's really pretty. It reminds me of a very chic bag, like very stylish. You do have the metal JuJuBe logo right here. It does have your standard memory foam changing pad and your memory foam backpack straps, which I love. It's one of my favorite features of JuJuBe. Yeah, you know what? Let's just start packing this, or let's start looking at it. All right. So the gold hardware, you do have the handles up here that do snap together. So if you're just want to grab it real quick, you can just grab it real quick. I really like that. And it's extra security too for the zippers. So you do have two bottle pockets on the outside, one here and one here, and they do cinch right there. You have a front zipper closure, and it does have a light gray lining, so they do still do the light lining, which again, I love. Makes it easier to find things. On top is going to be your mommy pocket. I'm going to zip that down. You have your key ring holder. You have a zipper right here. And it goes all the way down to the very bottom of your bag. Let me step back so you have a better view. So that's that zipper. You do have two pockets right here that do go all the way down to the bottom of the bag. And I'll turn it around, and then you have two pockets right here that have like a little, they like to keep things secure in there. So yeah, that is the mommy pocket. And then we have this very cool magnetic cell phone closure. It is so well hidden, I almost didn't see it there. But it is actually a very strong metal. You can kind of hear it. Oh, it's right in. Hear that? So that is a very strong magnet. It just, your phone goes straight down. It does fit my iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I'll show you in the packing video. So this front pocket right here stops at the water bottle. Right there. All right, so you can kind of see it's got a very big base down here. You do have two mesh pockets right here. So this is the front flap. So you have 2 mesh pockets right here, great for diapers if you're in that stage of parenthood. It does have 2 more pockets on the back side. And then it has bottle pockets on either side. So 1 bottle pocket here and another bottle pocket here. All right, oh, it does have this zipper up here, and I love this detail that JuJuBe did. Look how pretty that little pop of color is. It's so subtle, yet it just, to me, it adds so much to the bag, and I really, really love it. So zipper, and it stops right about here. So this is how deep this top zipper is right here. Right, that is that pocket. And there is a back pocket right here. And this pocket is so cool because you've been asking JuJuBe, and they listen. One of the reasons I love JuJuBe, they listen to their fans, their community. A laptop pocket. So this is padded. You can kind of see it's got padding on it. This does fit a 15-inch MacBook Air. I have one I will show you in my packing video. So it fits a good size laptop. It does have 2 other pockets here if you need to put like cable cords or anything like that. Those can easily go in there. They do go all the way down to the bottom of the bag. And then this bottom of the bag is that thick, to kind of give you an idea of how deep and thick it is down there. All right. Oh, I forgot to show you the zipper. Zipper right here. There we go. And again, you have that really pretty pop of hot pink. This one goes down to right about here. So that's that laptop pocket. Ooh, my hair got caught. And then it does come with a memory foam changing pad, which is back here, which is pretty cool. And then one of the new features they added were stroller straps. So, you know, you just unhook, unsnap it, snap it right over your strap, and they'll hang on your stroller straps, and then you just unsnap them, or you can unhook them if you want to leave the stroller straps on your stroller. So either way, it does have, let's move these back here. It does have memory foam backpack straps, which are very comfortable. One of my favorite features that JuJuBe has. Again, the gold metal hardware. They have a ring to keep your flap nice and taut towards the backpack, so it's not flapping around. One thing I did notice on this design, I don't know if JuJuBe intended for this, but I thought it was very cool. When I had my kids, my daughter was about 5, my son was a newborn, going to the grocery store, your hands are full. And I obviously didn't want her running out in the parking lot, so they added this little hoop to the end of the strap. You can have your kids hold on to it while you're walking through the parking lot so they don't just run off. So how cool is that? I don't know if they intended that, but that'd be a really, really cool feature. All right, I think that's it. So let's pack this up as if we were going to go out with kids. So let's do masks in this front pocket. So I have the JuJuBe Twinner mask. This is a very cool mask. It has adjustable, I don't know what you would call these. They're rubber, but they're adjustable, and I love them. But I have one for me, my daughter, and my son. So 3 in this front pocket. Goes there. And let's do this mommy pocket. We're gonna do 3 reusable straws. Goes right down there in the bottom. Keys go here. And like, if you've seen it in my other videos, my keys are very big. Sunglasses in a hard case. They're pretty thick as well. We're gonna put that right there. And then we have a battery pack and a cable. We're gonna put that in these front pockets. All right. Next, ooh, let's put water bottles, my kids' water bottles in here. So this is a Thermos brand water bottle. So that's gonna go in the side, right there. And then we're gonna cinch it. So it's nice and snug in there. And of course, one for my daughter. Cinch that. All right, let's do my iPhone 12 Pro Max case with a pop socket. It's gonna go right here in this magnetic case, or the magnetic pocket. Let's do an extra set of clothes. If you watch any of my other videos, my kids are older, so I don't do diapers, but I do pack extra clothes. So I have my daughter's size 10 top, and we're gonna put those in this front pocket in here. So this is gonna go here, and then my daughter's jeans, and I like to choose thicker so you kind of have an idea of how full it can pack in here. So it's just gonna go straight in there, not in a pocket, but just right in that middle section. And then my son's size 6 shirt, put that in there. And then again, I grabbed jeans, and these ones are pretty thick. Like they're not skinny by any sort of the imagination. So we're gonna put those, I'll turn it around for you guys in a second here. All right, there, that's better for you to see. So shirts are in here, in these 2 front mesh pockets, and then jeans are just in that middle section. And then we have wallet. It's gonna go back here. We have a medicine bag with toiletries, you know, aspirin, Advil, nail clippers. This is the medium piece from the B set in the Chromatics 3.0 in the color water. If you have not checked out any of my videos on Instagram, a little plug, these are amazing. I've been putting all different sorts of chocolate, and you know, I'm gonna do some other videos, but they come off. So these are amazing. Check it out if you have not had one of these yet. They're awesome. So that's just gonna go back there. And then wipes, a big pack of wipes. I'm gonna zip that up. And then my kids' pads to keep busy. We could do tablets, but I'm just gonna do their coloring pads. They're just like magnetic, and they're just gonna go in these mesh pockets right here. So just in case they need to keep themselves busy, they have something to keep themselves busy. And that is it. That is how I would pack for when I'm with the kids. All right, and then let's pack this up as well for if I was just going to work and I didn't have the kids with me. So we're gonna take out all the kids' stuff. And if you guys have any suggestions on videos you'd like to see, you know, anything, just let me know. Leave me a comment below, and I will gladly try to get those videos towards you, for you, not towards you. All right. So we have wallets. All right, the kids' stuff is all out of there. We've got masks. I'm gonna leave the mommy pocket the same since that's my pocket. I'm not gonna take anything out of there. So again, sunglasses, keys, straws, battery pack, quarter, all in here. We have one of my masks is gonna go back in this front pocket. We are gonna put water bottle, hydro flask, 24 ounces in the side pocket. And we're gonna cinch that a little bit so it's nice and snug. I do like that you can cinch this and you can use it as an extra pocket if you don't want to carry water bottles. You can still keep something in there and not be afraid of it falling out. Okay, going back to the main compartment, I have my wallet. It's gonna go again in this back pocket. My medicine bag is just gonna go on the side right there. I have a planner. It's a pretty thick planner. It's just gonna go, let's put it behind that piece set. This is a large B-set piece with the medicine. I'm not sure if I said that earlier. So this is large, this is medium. All right, so planners in there, toiletries. I have a pad of stickers for my planning. It's gonna go in that back pocket back there, this one. And then I have pens, erasers, anything I need for part of my planning, I'm gonna put in this front pocket, the mesh front pocket. And then accidents happen, so wipes are still gonna go in there because you never know when you're gonna need some wipes. All right, and then time for the MacBook Air. It's gonna go in this, I got my MacBook Air 15-inch. It is gonna go in this back pocket back here. And so it does fit right underneath that flap. It's a perfect fit for this one. And then zip that closed, and there you go. That is how you would pack for a mommy bag. So yeah. I also did want to show you the JuJuBe's Ever collection, so you kind of have an idea of the different look. So this was JuJuBe's Ever collection, the Tote, and then this is their Beyond collection. So you can kind of see the difference. If you've felt this leather before, it's not the same. This one is much softer. You can also see size-wise, let's take this one out. Size-wise, how tall the Million backpack is. And then I can get a BRB, because it is more of it's a backpack, so compare backpack to backpack. So they're pretty, I mean, with the handle, obviously it's gonna be taller, but yeah, they're pretty comparable. I feel like everything that I packed in here, I could definitely pack in my BRB to kind of give you a sense of like volume of what you can pack in there. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I hope you have a great day. Bye guys.